Today we discuss about some IT companies in India and other global company. There are future plans, acquisitions, and providing future service projection. We have discussed about some IT companies related to the industries. Here is the first number of Infosys, and also know that this is an enterprise story article. All information getting this side, so we can understand some word in this sites for IT companies. Infosys opens new center in Norway. Wipro unveils 5G solution. Here is your daily dose of key development from the technology world of India. Infosys open new center in Oslo, Norway. Infosys, India's largest IT company service provider, has opened a new center in Oslo, Norway as part of its continued expansion plan in the Nordics. According to the company, the new center will enable it to attract, reskill and upskill local talent to work on global opportunities through next generation technologies like cloud, AI, IoT, 5G, and software engineering. Over the last 5 years, Infosys has invested and expanded its footprints in the Nordic region with refreshed partnerships including the one with Levdal Mine Data Center in Norway, strategic acquisitions such as Fludio in Finland and Baseline Services in Denmark, as well as opening a new proximity center in Gothenburg, Sweden. The new Oslo Proximity Center will enable Infosys to partner with work even more closely with its regional customers, including Telenor, one of the world's largest telecom communication companies, and DNB SA, the largest bank in Norway, helping both organizations build and strengthen next generation solutions and advance their digital transformation journeys. And next company we discuss about Wipro. Wipro launches 5G solution in partnership with Cisco. Wipro is a leading Indian technology service company has launched a managed private 5G as a service solution in partnership with Cisco. The Norway offering enables enterprise customers to achieve better business outcomes through the seamless integration of private 5G with their existing LAN WAN cloud infrastructure. The managed private 5G from Cisco and Wipro supports organizations without having to acquire, run, and maintain a private 5G network. The 5G as a service solution benefits enterprise customers by minimizing the risk associated with upfront capital expenditure, CapEx, investment, and expedites technology adoption as Wipro and Cisco take on the technical, operational, and commercial risk of implementing the solution. The managed private 5G solution is built on Cisco industry-leading mobile core technology and Internet of Things IoT portfolio spanning IoT sensors and gateways, device management software, as well as monitoring tools and dashboards. The solution is seamlessly built, run, and managed by Wipro for customers. To support the partnership, Wipro has created a dedicated private 5G lab to build, test, and demonstrate industry use cases. Our next company is Greenlight Financial Technology. This is belongs to United States of America. Open Indian office in Bangalore. Greenlight Financial Technology, a fintech company, opened its first India office in Bangalore and appointed of Sunil Sirgopi as SVP and country head of India. The Greenlight India Development Center will focus on accelerating product innovation to better serve the company's growing customer base of more than 6 million parents and kids, and advance its mission to improve financial literacy for the next generation. Greenlight offers a banking app for families in the United States that teaches kids and teens how to earn, save, spend wisely, invest, and more. Parents can send money instantly, automatic allowance, manage chores, and set flexible spending controls. The Greenlight India Development Center will help support the company's next phase of growth as it continues to expand its suite of family banking, education, and safety products and reach millions more families. As a key hub for software development activity, the Greenlight will leverage artificial intelligence, machine learning, and other cutting-edge technologies to enhance existing product features and develop new capacities. The IDC team will focus software development efforts comprehensive across Light's banking platform, new product development, data analytics, risk engineering, and many more. Our next discussion on automation anywhere partners with AWS for AI solution. Automation Anywhere is working with Amazon Web Service. We know that Escort AWS to bring automation and generative AI innovation to market, leveraging Amazon SageMaker Start, a service that delivers open source pre-trained models, and Amazon Bedrock, a fully managed service from AWS that makes pre-trained foundation models accessible by an API. Automation Anywhere aims to offer choice, flexibility, and reliability for their generative AI developments. Working together since 2017, Automation Anywhere previously launched its cloud native RPA solution on AWS. Automation Anywhere has joined the AWS Independent Software Vendor Accelerated Program, a co-sell program for AWS partners that provides software solutions that run on or integrate with AWS. The program